guys, it's K-Dub here with another episode of Crypto Zombie. So today is Sunday. You know I usually don't make videos on Sundays, but given the current situation, I felt why not chime in, offer my opinion for what it's worth at this point. I want to say thank you so much for joining me on this video today. Now let's dive in and have a look at what is happening. Obviously, across the board, we are seeing nothing but red. Interestingly enough, this is not crypto. This is the stock market. Yes, everything is red, guys. Look familiar? It seems like right now, anything is down, okay? Stocks are down. Crypto is down. Real estate is down. I know this because I speak to many people who own a lot of property, okay? But, of course, for the OGs, 'tis but a flesh wound, right? Well, all jokes aside, let's dive in. Let's see what's going on. Let's have a look at the day, and then let's talk about some stuff. So first, we have the fact that we are sitting at a $121 billion market cap. Incredible how much money has left the market in just the past few weeks. We have a $3,796 Bitcoin. Biggest gainers of the day being Linky and Quark Chain up 0.8% though. Is that really a gain? Everything else, obviously stable coins, and followed by nothing but losses. So, not much to see here, folks. Obviously, we can look at all the charts we want, all the predictions we want, but inevitably, Bitcoin keeps falling. So I had this chart set up to go. In fact, I had an entire day set up to go because I was like, you know what? Let me do some news for the day. So, I had all these different articles set up, all these things I was going to talk about. And then, you know what I said to myself? I was like, I don't know. I don't think this is necessary today. Actually, look, Finny blockchain smartphone. That's pretty cool, right? That was over at the game. Anyway, long story short, you're seeing a lot of jokes. You're seeing people say, oh, McDonald's is hiring, right? And, that is something that I want to address as well, guys. So having a look at this, you could see some people are saying that, we're entering the last phase of this Elliott wave thing. Could we blast off? The truth is, nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. So let's get a little serious right here and let's talk about some things that are on my mind right now. There's a few things. I don't have anything planned, so this is going to be a bit of a rant today. I don't know how it's going to go over, but I feel like it needs to be said. So first thing I want to say, most importantly, because I think this is the most important thing, to anyone who's lost a massive amount in this market, which represents a lot of people, including myself, because I'm no expert, okay? I want you to really think about what that is in relationship to everything else. Okay, so you lost a lot of money. How much money did you lose? Did you lose your life savings? Oh, that really sucks. But can I be honest with you? If losing your life savings is the worst thing that happened to you, then you're a very blessed and lucky individual. Because some people have lost family members. Some people have lost limbs. My Uncle Chris got into an accident. He lost both his left arm and his left leg in the same day. He's never been the same since, right? But yet we're so upset about money. Guys, money isn't anything. Can I be honest with you? Do you know how many times I've had money and been broke? I have friends. I have a friend that's been a millionaire 3 times and lost it all 3 times. And he's actually in crypto as well. And he is still going. Like, he doesn't care. Because you can always get money back, guys. Money is the easiest thing to get. You literally go to a job, you get money. You sell some stuff on eBay, you get money, okay? I don't think money's the issue here. I think the bigger picture is, do you still have your health? Do you still have your family? Do you still have shelter? Do you have a house that has running water in it, okay? I'm in New York right now. I'm not freezing my ass off because I got heat, right? And you know what? If crypto fails, jokingly enough, if I really wanted to, I could walk down the street and get a job application for McDonald's, and I could get paid minimum wage. There's people in this world that don't have that option, that don't have that opportunity. We're over here bitching and moaning and complaining about, an 85% price drop in a speculative asset that we willingly chose to invest in. And there's people starving in other countries, or people in Venezuela who they're literally, if you had $1,000 last year, it's worth a penny this year. And that's due to the fact that the government doesn't know how to run their own country. But we're sitting here and we're bitching about Bitcoin. That's just something I have to say. That's the first thing I want to say. The second thing I want to say is stop blaming people for the fact that you did lose money, okay? I get people coming at me like, oh, you talked about this coin, you talked about that coin. Guys, I've made over 390 videos. There's over 2,000 cryptocurrencies. I've talked about a lot of crypto. We talk about crypto on this channel, okay? I never suggest buying anything, okay? I tell you what I'm buying, but I don't suggest that you buy that. So don't blame me. Don't blame some guru that you saw on Twitter. Don't blame your friend that got you into crypto, okay? You made your own decision, and now you have to deal with that. And the best thing that you can do is learn from your mistakes, learn what has happened in this market, okay? This market provided some of the greatest opportunities for gaining knowledge I have ever seen. I could never have learned anything like what I've learned in this market in a college classroom. Are you kidding me? When I got into this in May of last year, I knew nothing about finance, nothing about stocks or bonds or how trading works. I was a complete noob. I was an enthusiast. All I cared about was the tech. Yes, the price was going up, and I just got obsessed. And then something happened right around here, guys, and we know what happened. There was a retail boom and bust. People did not know what they were getting into, so they bought into stuff that they didn't understand. But the thing that I want to point out, guys, is that people think that, oh, this is ridiculous what happened. Guys, this is ridiculous what happened. This is actually kind of normal to have this type of a reaction to this spiking up in a month with the majority being in 3 weeks. In fact, I actually think that what's happening right now is kind of ridiculous. So when people ask, are we going lower? I think there's a potential chance we can go lower. But also the one thing that you have to realize about crypto is that, yes, it's dropped. I mean, let's think about it this way. Look at how fast. Okay, we've literally since the 7th. So we have the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, so give about a week. About a week, we've dropped from 65 to 37. What's to say it couldn't go the other way around? That's the thing. Crypto is just as volatile in either direction. And to everybody that's complaining, about, I wish I got in earlier. Well, now's the opportunity, but everybody's too busy complaining, right? So do you want to know what I actually did? You know what I did this morning, first thing when I woke up? I took the last of what I had in fiat and I pumped it into this. And I did. And I'm going to continue to do it all the way down because I understand what dollar cost averaging is. And no, I'm not the most savvy investor or trader ever, okay? And that's another thing too. Let me actually get on that topic. I see a lot of people bashing others on social media. I do not agree with that, okay? Just because somebody bought a shit coin or made a bad trade or something like that, and let's say you made a better trade or maybe you got out earlier than them, why does that person need to hear you put them down even more? You don't think they realize that maybe they made a bad decision? You don't think they know that? So to people out there that are bullying other people and saying I told you so, I completely disagree with that. I think everyone needs to realize that we are responsible for our own actions and there's no one else that you can blame. Okay? Getting that out of the way, yes, I have bought more, and yes, dollar cost averaging works. See, because here's the thing. We know that Bitcoin's going to go up again. If you don't believe that, I don't even know why you're watching this video. Honestly, it's eventually going to go up again. The point is, what is the difference if you buy, 3,000 now and 6,000 last month, or Bitcoin goes up to 20K and you buy 6,000 on the way up? See, people seem to be okay as long as they're laddering upwards, right? Like if Bitcoin's going up and I bought at 3, then I bought at 6, then I bought at 9, then it goes to 20, I'm like, yeah. Right? But if it's going down and you bought at 9 and you bought at 6 and you bought at 3, well, now you're a little depressed about what you did. But in reality, you just reversed dollar cost average. The next time it goes back up, it's the same thing. Now you bought too high. Well, you have the opportunities once again to buy all the way down at these levels. So just wanted to point that out there, guys. And honestly, I'm telling you the truth. Do what you want. There's a reason that these institutions are coming in. There's a reason that these companies are looking into blockchain tech. There's a reason that all these different ETPs are being developed and why would anybody want to get into an asset class that's a complete failure and it's just going to go to the wayside? Think about it, okay? And also, you really think this is a one-trick pony? Come on. If you believe in these guys and you believe in the manipulation, you really think this is a one-trick pony, just ride it and that's it? No. These guys are going to do it again and again and again and again. And if we go back here and look at this, you could see all the different times look at back here. What about when crypto took what about this bear market? How about right here? Well, that's a low of 167 with a high of $1,100. Well, that looks like it was the end of the days for those guys, huh? Not even close. Not even close, guys. So think about it. If you sell your Bitcoin now, who are you selling it to? Who's on the other end? Think about it. I have a hunch I know who it is. It's these institutions It's these bankers. It's these Wall Street guys, okay? And I don't want to give them our Bitcoin and turn the system into the same exact system that I was trying to get away from in the first place. There's a reason I went all in. There's a reason that I now have literally almost no money in my bank account whatsoever, and I'm all in crypto. Yeah, don't follow what I do. I'm crazy. I'm extreme. But you know what? I believe in this space, and I stand by it. And I get up every single day, and I make videos. I've seen a lot of YouTubers that have ran away. I've seen a lot of guys stop putting content out. I've seen a lot of people that used to be in the space leave. A lot of friends I used to talk to. They don't want anything to do with it. Well, I'm still here, guys, and you're still here. And obviously, we believe in something a lot more important than $1 or making a gain, okay? Because there's so much more to life than just making sick profits, guys. And when you realize what this is going to do and the power that it has to transform the world, although, yes, it's very early still, and yes, it's not as great as it could be, but nothing was good in the beginning. Literally, nothing was good. Everything in the beginning sucked. Telephones sucked. Cars sucked. Electricity sucked, okay? Everything sucked. Cell phones sucked back in the day. Name one thing when it came out that was awesome, even after 10 years of it being out, you know? Obviously, technology gets faster over time, but you just have to be realistic about that, guys. So today's video was a rant. I really don't give a crap. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. It doesn't matter to me, guys. I'm not going anywhere, okay? And you can expect me to be coming back to this channel every single day, talking about crypto, talking about blockchain, talking about innovations, doing interviews with projects, because I don't see this space going anywhere. And I think you and I all know that the future is blockchain. It's just price. Bitcoin hasn't changed. Blockchain hasn't changed. Only the price has. So that being said, guys, I want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I freaking love you guys. Obviously, don't do anything out of your comfort zone. I'm not telling you to buy right now. If you've lost too much, maybe just relax. You know, make sure you have enough money to pay the bills. You know, obviously don't be putting everything you have into crypto. But guys, it's just the beginning, and we've seen this before. And ironically enough, this isn't even the worst bear market Bitcoin's ever seen. It's just that now there's a lot more people looking at it. There's a lot more news coverage. There's a lot more, YouTubers, Twitter people, blogs, stuff like that, okay? But nothing has changed, fundamentally. Rant over. That being said, guys, I want to say thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Really, really appreciate you guys. Obviously, please stay safe, okay? I've heard some people talking about, like, suicide. No. If you are feeling that way, send me a freaking DM on Telegram and I will talk to you, because I've been there before and it's not a place that you want to be. So I'm here for you guys if you need anything. There's plenty of people in the community that are here for you. And yeah, that being said, I really don't want to end on doom and gloom today. So, here's to, the next 18 months. We'll see where it takes us. Looking forward to Bakkt and Fidelity coming in. Looking forward to all these, different regulations, even though some people may not be happy about that. But it is going to provide more legitimacy in the space. And also realize that it's still like only 1% of the world that owns crypto. So, guys, come on. It's just the beginning. Come on, wake up. Wake up, guys. It's just the beginning, okay? So that being said, guys, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. I freaking love you. Everyone that's been liking, subscribing, commenting, you guys are freaking awesome. This video is totally random. We'll get back to the news tomorrow. I didn't feel like it was a good day for news today. So that being said, I freaking love you. From the bottom of my heart, guys. Dead ass. Swear to God. You're the best, okay? That being said, my name's K-Dub. This is Crypto Zombie. Until next time, stay crypto and peace out.